Okay, so now I'm with Jussi Peltomaa, who is the manager of the secondary raw materials business with BOLIDEN. Welcome back, Jussi.
Thanks for having us here.
We last spoke about a year ago, and I know that you've got projects and developments that have moved on over the last 12 months. Perhaps you can start by telling us what's going on.
Yeah, so I think for this year, one of the main things in BOLIDEN smelters is that because we lost our tank house in Rönnskär a couple of years ago, so we started to rebuild it, and it should be online during the second half of this year. So that is what we are really expecting a lot for this year.
Has it been impacting the business?
Yes, it kind of made us to change our business model, because normally we do sell the copper cathodes, but now we've been jumping into new area in the business, so we've been selling also now anodes, and also it affects our precious metal recovery. So we are much looking forward to get it back online.
So in fact, it will turn out to be a positive for 2026.
Exactly.
Okay, and so you're back here at IRC. Why are you here again this year? Who are you particularly hoping to meet this year?
I think it's from smelter perspective, because we are the final treatment facility for electronic scrap and all kind of secondary raw materials. So these kind of events are very important for us to meet our existing suppliers, but also make new relations to possible new suppliers, and also meet our peer colleagues. So to hear the latest updates from the market, what is happening around in Europe, or also in the global perspective.
And do you think in the near future the business is still looking positive for BOLIDEN?
Yeah, I do think. Of course, there are certain items which are affecting and can say maybe creating more risks, but also you need to be able to also mitigate the risks. For example, like the metal price here. Yes. They are skyrocketing right now. So, but you need to be able to mitigate those risks. And I would say overall, waste electronic equipment is the fastest growing stream in a global perspective. So in that sense, I think definitely the future is looking good.
And remind us of the key selling points, why customers come to work in BOLIDEN.
I think we've been in this business very long. A year ago, we celebrated our 100-year history. And I think if you look our values, which are care, courage, and responsibility, so it means that we really care about the environment, about the people, and we are trying to do in a most sustainable way what we are doing.
And you find that this is something that clients are really looking for the future of their sourcing?
Yeah, I think it is becoming more and more important, because we need to have future societies as well. And in our way, when we treat materials in a sustainable way, we're making sure that there is a future also.
Absolutely. Well, we wish you lots of good contacts over the next 2 days. Thank you very much.
Thank you.